Hello, good day viewers. In this tutorial, we are going to find a solution to this quartic equation, which is x to the power of 4 equal to -1. You should know that in the set of real numbers, we have no any number that can be raised to an even exponent and the result will be negative. And hence, this particular equation has no real solution. Therefore, we have to dive into the complex solutions. All right, let's get started. We have so many different ways to solve this problem, but I would like to give it a unique approach. Let's get started. First of all, let us take this term to the other side. It will become positive. So we have x to the power of 4 plus 1, and this is equal to 0. So let us apply this logic. Remember that if you have x squared plus 1 and you try to square all, this will be what? The first term squared according to binomial expansion. You take x squared, you square that, that will give you x to the power of 4. Then you take the second term, you square that as well. 1 squared is still 1. Then you take 2 multiplied by the first term multiplied by the second term. That is 2 times x squared times 1. That is just 2x squared. 2x squared. So this is the expansion of this. So if you observe, we have 2 times that are equivalent to what we started with. X to the power of 4 plus 1, which is exactly here. So if x to the power of 4 plus 1 is equal to 0, it implies that the moment we add 2x squared to both sides, it will be equivalent to this one. Therefore, we can just replace this x to the power of 4 plus 1 with 0. So it becomes x squared plus 1 whole squared is equal to just 2x squared, according to this equation. So now let us take square root of both sides. We have x squared plus 1 equals plus or minus the square root of 2x squared. Therefore, x squared plus 1 is equal to plus or minus square root of 2 is still square root of 2. Square root of x squared is x, right? So it implies either x squared plus 1 is equal to the positive square root of 2x, or this x squared plus 1 is equal to negative square root of 2x. So we're going to form two quadratic equations. Let me start with the first one. So we have x squared. As this crosses over, it becomes negative square root of 2x. Then we have plus 1. This is equal to 0. Or the other one, we have x squared. As this crosses over, it becomes positive square root of 2x. Then plus 1. And this is equal to 0. Now we have two quadratic equations. We are going to solve each equation using the general formula. And remember, the general formula is what? X equal to minus b plus or minus into square root of b squared minus 4 times a times c. The whole of this divided by 2 multiplied by a. All right, let's substitute. Remember that a is the leading coefficient, which is 1 here. Coefficient of x, which is negative root 2, is our b, and the constant is the c. So let's plug everything into the formula. We have x to be equal to minus b. This is our b. B is negative square root of 2. If you negate it with this other negative, it becomes positive square root of 2, right? Plus or minus into square root of b. The b is negative square root of 2. You square that, minus 4 multiplied by a is 1, multiplied by c is 1 as well. Divide by 2 times a, 2 times 1. We simplify. The whole of negative square root of 2, if you square that, you're going to get 2. The whole of this is 4. So 2 minus 4 is negative 2. So this becomes square root of 2 plus or minus the square root of negative 2. Divide by 2 times 1 is 2, right? So we can split the fractions into square root of 2 divided by 2 plus or minus. You know that square root of negative 2 is the same thing as square root of 2 multiplied by I, because square root of negative 1 is I. We divide this by 2 as well. So we have two solutions here. Let me split them. X is equal to root 2 over 2 plus root 2i over 2. This is the first solution. All the other solution is square root of 2 divided by 2, then minus square root of 2i divided by 2. So if you observe the second solution, because we have another quadratic equation to solve, which is right here, if you solve this one, definitely you're going to obtain x equal to negative square root of 2 divided by 2 plus square root of 2i divided by 2. Then we have also negative square root of 2 divided by 2 minus square root of 2i divided by 2. Why? Because the equation is almost similar. It's just that they have different b's. This is negative square root of 2, while this is positive square root of 2. So wherever you have b in the formula, just replace it with square root of 2 positive. So you can see that if b is square root of 2, it will be negative square root of 2 because of the negative behind the b. And if you take the whole of this, you square that, because of this b squared, you are going to obtain 2. 2 minus 4 will be negative 2. Everything will be the same except this one. So it will be negative here as well, right? So in the end, you're going to obtain the negative version here. So these are the 4 solutions. You can say that this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, and this is 4. We have 4 solutions, all complex solutions. Thank you for watching. Do share to your learning colleagues, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more exciting videos. Bye bye.